So we have seen how to use in condition and between condition. Now let us learn how to use the like condition. Like condition is used to perform pattern matching between strings using wildcards. By pattern matching, I mean you can find if a string is starting with a particular character or it is ending with a particular set of characters. That kind of pattern matching that can be done using the like condition. The syntax of like condition is you select the columns you want from the table name, and when you are specifying the condition using the where condition, you'll use like and then you specify the pattern. To specify the pattern, we'll be using the wildcards. As told earlier also, wildcard is a special character, it is a symbol, and this symbol means something to SQL. For example, when you are using wildcards with like, there are two particular wildcards used. One is the percent symbol. Percent symbol allows you to match any string of any length. Whereas this underscore wildcard, it allows you to match only a single character. For example, if you write a%, it means any string which is starting with a. There can be any number of characters in that string. Percent %a will mean that the string is ending with a. In front of a, there can be any number of characters. A% %b will mean it is starting with a, ending with b, and between a and b, there are any number of characters. Do note that a space is considered as a character, and even zero, I mean to say no character, will also be acceptable. So a% %b will also include ab, that is, there is no character between a and b. In the fourth example, I am showing you the use of underscore symbol. A B underscore C will mean the string is starting with A and B and it is ending with C, and between these B and C there is only one single character, so it is a 4 character string. So let us use this in examples and try to find out pattern. Suppose we want to find out the customers whose name start with J. So to do that, this is the syntax. I'll write select everything from the customer table where customer name is like J and anything after J. So it is J%. Let us go and write this query in SQL. So start with select star from customer where customer name like J percent. Note that this J is in capitals. So names which are starting with capital J will be selected. So when I ran this query, you can see all the customers that I have now have their names starting with J, that is capital J. Now if you want to select customers who have Nelson in their name, maybe their first name is Nelson, maybe their last name is Nelson, or within their name the string Nelson appears. How to find such customers? To do that, we will go to pgadmin and write select star from customer where customer name like, and we'll have percent Nelson percent, and we will run this query. So there is only one customer whose last name is Nelson, and that record we have found using this query. Now suppose we want to find out customers whose first name consists of 4 characters, and after that there can be any number of characters. So to find such a customer, we'll need to use the underscore wildcard. For the first name, we'll use 4 underscore characters. After that, we need a space, and after that there will be a percent symbol. This percent symbol will ensure that there can be any number of characters after the first name. So let us do this, write this query to find out the customers whose first name has 4 characters. Select star from customer where customer name like. So 1 underscore, second underscore, third underscore, fourth underscore, now a space. This will ensure that the first name ends after 4 characters. Now a percent symbol. Right, so let us run this. You can see we have got all the customers whose first name is of 4 characters, and after that there can be any number of characters. In the fourth example, I'm showing the use of like condition along with the not condition. So if you want to find out all the cities which are not starting with the character S, how to do that? So in this condition we will also be using the distinct keyword. Distinct will ensure that the city names are not repeating, since a lot of customers are residing in the same cities. If I just write select, I'll get the city names repetitively. So to get unique city names, I'll write distinct also. So select distinct city from customer where city not like and it is not starting with S. So let's go and write this condition. Select distinct city, this is the column name, from table name customer where city like not like and is not starting with S. So S percent. Remember to put S in capitals since our city names are starting with capital letters. So you can see we have all the cities and none of the city is starting with the S character. The last example is using the escape character. This backslash that we have here is called an escape character, and it is used to escape the meaning of this percent as a wildcard. What I mean by that is, if you want to actually find out a percent symbol in your data, how do you do that? If you write the percent symbol, it will be considered as a wildcard. So if you want this percent symbol to be considered as a percent symbol, you'll need to use this backslash, which is called an escape character. So if you run this query, select star from customer where customer name like G backslash percent, it will actually find a customer which has a name of G percent. So since we do not have any customer like that, I just wanted to show you this example. So we will not be running this query. That's all with this like condition. In the next video, we'll learn how to order the retrieved dataset. So for example, when we retrieved customer names, it was coming in the random order. If we want to get the customer names ordered in the alphabetical order, as starting from A and ending with Z, how to do that? So we'll learn that in the next lecture.